Sis, when you look at the mirror and you completely hate what you see, don't be too hard on yourself because there are a whole lot of factors responsible for a large tummy. Let's talk about age. 40 and above, you tend to gain a whole lot of weight around your midsection. And it will take things like exercise, eating right, sleeping right, for you to get back to shape. The next one is childbirth. If you have birthed a child, it is a blessing. It took you 9 months to carry your child and give birth to your child. You have to give yourself time as well to be able to get back into shape. And as a new mom, you have to be able to love yourself, to love the process. The next one I have is weight loss or weight gain. So these are the factors that are responsible for that big tummy that you always see in the mirror whenever you stand in front of the mirror. So please do not be too hard on yourself. Let's take a little break. When we come back, I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks on how to fix it. Welcome back. My name is Chiamaka Agbanusi, and on this channel, I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks on how to step out looking presentable and fashionable. I teach you how to step out in style. Now let's hop right back into the topic. The first one on my list is confidence. You have to be kind to your present body while you look for a solution. Love and cherish your present body. It is lack of confidence that will make you, when they tell you, oh, we have so gathering, or we are going to be meeting family members, or going to be having an event, and you tell them, no, I can't make it, I'm sick, I'm this, I'm that, I'm busy, you'll be claiming busy. And it is lack of confidence that will also make you to self-doubt yourself whenever you are giving a very sweet compliment. You have to start loving yourself and think positively about yourself. Say nice things to yourself. I am beautiful. I am bold. Wear darker color. Unlike bright colors, dark colors helps you hide all those things you are hiding so that people don't get to see it. Black color should be your go-to. And black colors help you look taller. Now I'm going to be giving you an example. Do you see how everything just hides out? Like you don't get to see any big tummy there, but always make sure that when you want to hide your large tummy, that your trousers or your skirt or whatever you'll be putting on beneath is going to be in a darker color. So next one on my list is focus on layering pieces like long line blazers, drapes, wraps, peplum tops, and a whole lot of other outfits. When you layer these outfits like this is an example of a long line blazer layered to perfection. This side will have like a peplum top, as you can see on the screen. Look how gorgeous she looks with a peplum top. And now that peplum top helps cover whatever big tummy you're trying to hide. The next thing you should be thinking of is boo-boo. Right now I'm putting on boo-boo, as you can see. But this one is a jumpsuit boo-boo. And this is perfect. Things like boo-boos, cute ones, so not the ones you wear, be looking like someone that no. Look for nice boo-boos. Boo-boos are perfect for days you do not know what to wear. Grab any boo-boo in your closet and you're good to go. The next one is oversized two-piece set. Do not joke with two-piece set. I love two-piece set. Why is that? On days you do not know what to wear, you can grab a two-piece set and you will still be looking beautiful and well put together, like you put a whole lot of work into it. Prints helps take away attention from your tummy area as well. So go for outfits with prints. Don't go and get the ones that have a whole lot of logo, because please, you are not a billboard. Even if you must go for like designer logos and the rest of them, please keep it simple and classy at all times. Now, when you're going for a long line blazer, go for a hip length long line blazer as seen on the screen. When you're going for wrap dresses, go for wrap dresses like this that totally covers up your tummy. Then when you're looking for peplum tops, make sure you are shopping unique peplum tops just as seen on your screen. Now, this next one is very important too because I cannot imagine talking about every other thing and not including this last one. Shapewear. Wear the right shapewear that is not visible. Not the one you wear shapewear to wedding or events and we can literally see all the lines showing on the shapewear. That is not the way to go. Shapewears that have some form of support on the bed. Make sure you look for seamless shapewears that are also breathable. Not the one you wear now. Small thing like this, you don't fall for ground. The next thing is how to revive you. Now that we are done with the do's, now let's get to don'ts when it comes to hiding your big tummy. The first thing you should put in mind is please do not wear shapeless outfits or big size tops or just because you want to hide your big tummy and you end up wearing something that doesn't even highlight your shape or give you that best desired fit that you are looking for. The next thing you need to avoid is tight-fitted clothing. Instead of going for tight-fitted clothing, you can go for shirt dresses instead of tight-fitted dresses. Another thing you should put in consideration is always sizing up. Let's say, for example, you are a size 10 and you get to the market and you find out that your size 10 that you would normally wear, now because of your tummy, it's too tight on you, or because of that particular design, it's not giving you that fit that you are looking for. It's not giving you that look that you are looking for. You go a size up. And then feel free to go to your tailor, or the seamstress, anyone, have them mend it to your desired size. Tailored outfits should be your go-to once you have a big tummy. It helps hide everything. Now, when we talk about button-down shirts, Abi button-up shirts, anyone you decide to call it, but you know what I'm talking about, Abi. Button-down shirts over tight-fitted tops, as seen here, would help hide your big tummy. You really want to take the attention and the eyes away from your tummy area, go for printed outfits with nice designs though, because there are some designs I see people wearing and I'm like, they should check the mirror while leaving the house. So please do not wow us with childish designs or designs that do not complement your style or designs that make you look like you're just leaving the house for errands. Make sure that whatever print you're picking is classy. We are finally at the end of this session. I love sitting here giving out tips and tricks that will help you stand out wherever you go and help you step out looking fashionable, looking well put together, looking like a boss lady that you are. To help this channel grow more and get to more women out there, please subscribe to this channel.